Hey guys, I'm Phil. Welcome to Colorado. Welcome to my home, at least my driveway. In today's video, we're going to talk about my 2012 Ram 3500 diesel, 1 ton. And they say you should start every video with a hook, so here's the hook. This truck I bought a year ago, $27,000. Since that time, in 1 year, I have spent total $23,500. And so this video is for those of you that might not want to go out and spend $80,000, $90,000, $100,000. You're contemplating moving from a gas pickup, I had a Tundra, to a big heavy duty diesel. This video is for you because you're wondering, oh my God, if I get an older truck, how much is it going to cost me? What do I need to know about diesels? All these things. This truck might not be exactly what you'll experience with your truck, but it might be a pretty good idea. So 50 G's, was it worth it? For me, absolutely. Number one, I don't want to spend 80, 90, 100 G's on a new truck. Number two, I think it's a pretty sweet rig. And number three, I have a valid use for this truck, which we're going to get into. And in today's video, I'm going to walk you through all these documents. I'm going to show you the things that I spent money on, whether it's a repair thing, whether it's a necessity like a turnover hitch to haul my up to 20,000 pound fifth wheel toy hauler up there, or whether it's a nice to have thing like the replacement Kenwood stereo. So I'm going to give you an idea of where all the money went, and then you can kind of make your decision on, you know what, maybe if I buy an older truck, I might have to spend this kind of money. Or maybe if I buy an older truck and I don't push it as hard, I won't have to spend that much money. But either way, you'll get to go through my experience and hopefully it helps you. So the use case, well, I had a Toyota Tundra, great truck, had it for 10 years, thought I was gonna have that truck forever. Things change. So Mary and I have a production company and we travel from Colorado west, sometimes north. And as we started traveling, we got a travel trailer, right? And that was great. But then we sort of very quickly realized we were growing out of it. We had no way to haul our motorcycles. We had no, we were stepping over each other inside this travel trailer with all the gear. So we decided to get something bigger, something that I could put the bikes in the back of and then still haul the travel trailer. But as you know, things evolve quickly. And that led me to the Momentum toy hauler that we now utilize. We put about 12,000 miles on that thing last year, hauling stuff all around the West. And it's great because it allows us to have folks that are part of the rally. They can stay in the back, in the bedroom, or we can haul bikes, and we're just more comfortable, especially when you're spending all this time on the road and not in hotels. And hence, this is the need, the use case for this truck right here. It is a 2012 Ram 3500, like I said. It has the max tow package. So it has things like dual transmission coolers, 410 gears, limited slip differential, and a couple other things that I probably forgot. I just paused for a minute there. I'm like, what else does it have? So we're gonna get to the folder, find out what we spent money on this year. All right, guys, I figured the best way to do this would be just to go around the exterior of the truck, talk about all the things, give you a price tag, then we'll get on the interior of the truck, and then we'll pop the hood. So, number one, these headlights, $107. Okay, so that covers the highlights for the Ram 3500. Here is the list in total. Feel free to do the math. Double check me. I might have forgotten something. All right, guys, so I hope you've enjoyed this video and walking through all the things. And maybe it's helped you in your soon-to-be buyer's decision whether you want a heavy-duty truck, whether you want an older diesel like I got. Look, here's the deal. What if I took $50,000, went down to a dealership and bought a truck? What would I get? 5, 6, 7-year-old truck, I don't know, 100,000 miles, could be a great truck. Would it need some front end work? Maybe. Could it need the Banks Monster Ram intake? Absolutely. Would it need still the hitch that I installed? Would it need some other things? I don't know. And that's the thing, like I could go do that, right? And I could be super happy and I could have a newer model truck. But also, I like this truck and I know what I've put into it. So that's pretty much it. Please let me know what your thoughts are. Are you a diesel mechanic? Have you owned heavy duty trucks in the past? I think that all truck guys, eventually gas truck guys, lust after something like the big boy right here, because man, it's incredible. It's incredible being able to haul almost a cord of wood, that big toy hauler, whatever you want to put in the back, boom, 8-foot bed. Let's get it done. All right, guys. So once again, leave a comment below. Let me know what you think. Let me know if you're going to purchase a truck. Also, I'm selling this one for $100,000 if you're interested. Drop me a line, maybe 120. We'll see. It is a great looking truck. It's a great looking truck. All right, guys. Thanks for watching, and we will see you on the next one. Take care.